I'm really happy to hear that in Portugal there are a lot of bees, because in other member states that is certainly not the case. And considering also the importance of bees, which the European Union agriculture and across the globe needs today and also in the future, and it is necessary to preserve bee colonies because they are vital to our society and to us as humans, particularly when it comes to food production. And we're speaking and hearing that a lot about scientific reviews and scientific studies, and there are a number of scientific literature which shows that, for example, neonicotinoids do not endanger only bees, but other species such as butterflies, birds, and water insects. The University of Sussex said that. Another report by Greenpeace states that studies in different countries, in particular, realize and point out to the decrease in colonies, particularly near fields with neonicotinoids-treated crops. And it is a fact that bee colonies are decreasing in number. It is a fact also to keep in mind what the European Food Safety Authority is speaking about when they are speaking about a high risk for bees or a high risk that cannot be excluded. And yes, it is a fact that these substances might not be the only reason for this decline in bee colonies, but they are definitely one of the reasons for the decline in bee colonies. And I believe that the Commission implementing regulation to ban these three substances is a first step in preserving the honeybee population in Europe. And we need to do something, because ultimately we cannot continue being fed information that these substances are like a necessary evil, to continue mounting the pressure for us to approve any kind of substance which is used in agriculture, even if there is this high risk, and this Parliament and particularly this committee needs to take a strong position in this regard.